Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I want to start out by explaining my thumb. So I have this retractable X-Acto knife and I was meaning to click it down today and accidentally clicked the wrong side, meaning the blade. So I completely stabbed my thumb pretty deeply. So I can't really use my thumb at all, which really is an issue for somebody that does paper stuff for, on YouTube, but we're making it work. So this week I am doing a mixture of this orange seasonal sticker book, which is one of my favorites of all time. I absolutely love it. It's like super, super old. And then also Indigo. And this is a book, I think it came out last year, but I think it's super fun. I love all of, obviously, the indigo and then like the different shades of blues. And then I wanted to use a sidebar sticker, like one of these long ones that have 3 different parts for different categories of things that I have to do. So I think I'm going to do like to buy, errands, and then house prep, because we need to prep our house to put it on the market this week. And then there's like a lot of good boxes to use as well. So I'm going to be pulling up those in a second. But I put these strips up at the top. I thought would be good until later on you're going to see that I regretted it when I found a different page that had better strips that would have been like way cuter. They had like cute spots and everything, so I was sad when I found them, but it's all right. I'll use it next time. So I put this box on Saturday because it's going to be my sister's birthday, and I initially put it down a little bit crooked, so I had to like pull it up, which was super hard without my thumb. And then I put this big box on Saturday, Sunday that I, have actually been doing pretty often for like a filming place where I can write down all the things I need to film. And my husband had the day off, so I put down that sticker. And see, this is the strip that I wish I would have been able to use, but I just couldn't make it work where it wasn't going to rip the page. So then I pulled up this errands sticker because I found this box that actually says errands inside of it. So that worked out well. This big circle is so cute. I love the mixture of different shapes on a page. So putting a circle down there with the baby it's cold outside seemed perfect. And then what does that one say? I think it says important or something like that, or don't forget something. So I layered that with my sister's birthday box. And instead of having important down there, for that little bottom left section, I just ended up putting that sticker about your dreams, make them come true, or something like that. I absolutely love these boxes that kind of look like arrows, and 2 of them I was able to get out of the orange seasonal book. So I put one on Wednesday and then one kind of like Thursday, Friday-ish area. And I used a lot of light blue, so I wanted to use a little bit of dark blue. So I put that one on Monday evening. And that is pretty much going to be it. So I put down a few more little page flags, and I'm going to put it back into the discs. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. And as usual, make sure you like, subscribe, and comment for more. Bye, guys.